How to change WhatsApp to business. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can change your WhatsApp account to your business account. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. In order to change your WhatsApp account, your personal WhatsApp account to your business account, all you gotta do is now you don't need to uninstall your WhatsApp. Simply go ahead and download WhatsApp Business into your phone. So you can head over to your Play Store or App Store and search in for WhatsApp Business, and you can simply download it. Now once you have downloaded it, simply go ahead and open it up here. Now tap on agree and continue. So here you can see, since my account is logged in on my device, right, it says it's giving me the option to switch here. So I can use this particular number that I'm using on the personal account if I want to switch, or I can use a different number. In order to switch, tap on use this particular number, and now you can go through the prompts and set up your business account. This is how you can easily change WhatsApp to business. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues as well.